Alright guys, I'm excited to show you this next unit. It is a Cherokee. It's a 2025 and I am loving the colors. I like the new look of it and I want to know if you guys do. So if you have any questions, of course reach out, let me know. The wind is blowing my hair everywhere, but it's okay. But of course I do want to let you know that I do love this. I love what I do, but I do it on my own and I do work at this office. So if you do have questions, just come up and see me and ask for Rachel. I will be there to help you. But let's go from the outside in and you guys let me know. The Cherokee Gray Wolf 2025 model 26DBH. You've got a nice slide on this side. It is a tankless water heater at on demand, which is so nice. You've got a nice long awning, 2 doors, speakers outside. Of course, it's got your backup camera prep as well. You've got an ice maker, you got a fridge and a griddle. And an outdoor shower. All right here, I love that. All right guys, but let's take a look inside. Okay, so the thing with Cherokee is they use that wood color. I love that they use that. They've changed the color of the couches. I just really think that it fits very well. It's beautiful in here. All right, so right when you come in, on the left side is your kitchen and your living area. On the right side is your bedroom. Now the bedroom has 2 doors because they wanted to keep a big bed. So both of you all can walk on each side easily. Beautiful in here. You can put your entertainment up here and you do have a lot of space for your clothes right here, just a lot of space. And then of course you do have storage right above as well and windows on the side. Absolutely love it. I love the barn door style. Both of them on each side have that. You've got your beautiful I love the wall, by the way. I mean, like the wallpaper, I really like it. It's not boring. So you got your fireplace. You of course can put your entertainment right there. And then they do have a little bit of cubbies and storage on the top and the bottom. Over here we've got our couch, of course, turns into a bed. It is super comfy, love it. And then a huge dinette that turns into either a bed or a nice big couch as well. So everybody can have a place to sit, love it. Super cushiony. There is storage underneath as well, and then beautiful windows right behind. And then on to our beautiful kitchen. Okay, so we've got, of course, a nice big beautiful sink, 3-burner, and your microwave. And is it a convection? It is. It's a convection microwave oven with air fryer. Very nice. Tons of storage on the bottom and then of course on the top. And then a nice big fridge. And it's one of those fridges that open on both sides. Absolutely love that. And of course I have to show you because it's just what I do. But yes, I love it. Plenty of room in here to put your goods, plenty of space, including your freezer as well. It does come with, I don't know, everybody loves this, but it does come with a glass cleaner right here. Very nice. And then moving down, we've got our pantry. So plenty of space here for storage, love that. And then we have our bunk beds, which are actually really wide. Very wide. It's got outlets and it's got your charging ports, which is great. And it comes with a ladder, which I'm telling you, not all bunks come with a ladder. So it's really nice. Plus it has privacy curtains on the top and the bottom. And then right through here we have a nice big bathroom. This is actually much bigger than I thought it would be. This is where the second door is, but plenty of space here. Nice big sink as well. But yes, plenty of space. You can do your thing. and be comfortable doing it. So let me know, guys, what do you think of this unit? Do you want to have any other information or know anything else? Please call, text, or email. The price is amazing right now, especially it being a 2025. So I'm excited to show this one. So call, text, email, come see me. As for Rachel, would love to help you. But until next time, guys.